Big data is extremely large data sets that may be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behavior. While big data security is a collective term for all measures and tools used to guard data and analytics process from attacks, thefts, and other malicious activities that could harm them. The issues can be worse when companies' databases are attacked, which stores customers' personal information. There are several ways organizations can implement security measures to protect big data analytical tools. One of the most common security tools is encryption. Encrypted data is useless to actors such as hackers if they do not have the key to unlock it. Moreover, encrypting data means that both at input and output information is completely protected. Building a strong firewall is another useful big data security tools. Firewalls are effective at filtering traffic and that enters and leaves the server. Organization can prevent attacks before they create strong filters and could avoid any third party or unknown source. Now we come to literature survey. The first paper is named as a researchable and verifiable data protection scheme for scholarly big data. Scholarly big data includes scholars' scientific research, experimental data, and their own identity information. The security of scholarly big data relates to authors' reputation and copyrights of their works. This paper proposes a trusted third-party aided searchable and verifiable data protection scheme that utilizes cloud computing technology. Here, data includes author's work and personal information. If malicious user gets a hand on it or uploads fake information, it will be hazardous for the author. This paper has three contributions. It proposes a third-party aided user differentiated system model. A cube data storage is utilized and it proposes a searchable and verifiable data protection scheme. It uses several cryptographic algorithms to check the authenticity of the user before letting them do any further work. Result analysis shows that time consumption of the user for any task is lower than 50 milliseconds. The next paper is called a Big Data Provenance Model for Data Security Supervision based on ProvDM model. In this paper, they define data provenance. Data provenance describes origin of data and process by which it arrived to current state, which can effective approach for data supervision. Here, a model ProvDM is used, which distinguishes core structures forming the essence of provenance information from extended structures for specific scenarios. Three core structures used consist of entity, activity, and agent. Database is located in distributed file systems. A DFS is distributed across multiple local files. A malicious user can steal HDFS data directly from underlying local files without leaving traces. No one will know the data is stolen as there is no connection between one data and another. Therefore, it is necessary for provenance model to express relationship between related data and different data organization system so as to realize joint analysis of operations on them to detect possible abnormal operations. Next paper is IoT Big Data Security and Privacy Innovations. This paper is mostly focused on question of innovation with respect to data. Data is at heart of IoT, but in order to make it trustworthy enough for widespread acceptance, the security and privacy of data must be ensured. This paper proposes a three-part decomposition of design space in order to clarify requirements and constraints for data storage. Expectation is that decomposing this complex problem of IoT big data security and privacy demands for innovation can be tackled more effectively by considering the policy boundaries. Next paper is Comprehensive Survey on Big Data Privacy Protection. Here, PPDM model is used. The main issue is how to manipulate data using a specific approach to enable development of a good data mining model on modified data, thereby meeting a specified privacy need with minimum loss of information intended on data analysis task. Four stages of PPDM technique used for knowledge discovery are data pre-processing, data transformation, data mining, and basic operations on data. A commonly used privacy protection measure is to enforce privacy preservation in data pre-processing stage by different user roles of data. This research reveals that PPDM continues to have potential challenges and open issues that would open door for further research by scholars in area of data privacy and protection. The fifth paper is Securing Big Data in the Age of AI. In this paper, data is stored in SQL or NoSQL databases. Proposed secure DL system allows organizations to enforce policies to control access to sensitive data, to keep necessary audit logs automatically for data governance and regulatory compliance, sanitize and redact sensitive data on the fly based on data sensitivity and AI model needs, detect potentially unauthorized or anomalous access to sensitive data, and automatically create attribute based on access control policies based on data sensitivity and data type. This tool is especially designed to provide security for scenarios where complex AI models are built using existing structured and unstructured data storage in different NoSQL and SQL databases. Next, now we come to case study on a methodology. In this method, a trusted third-party aided searchable and verifiable data protection scheme that utilizes cloud computing technology. This mode consists of three entities: user, trusted third party, that is TTP, and cloud server, CS. User in our model contains authors, editors, and readers are considered three main data related personal type users. Readers are the ones who search for authors' uploaded information for their studies. Authors need to upload their academy achievements, including personal information, and an editor may need to upload magazines or journal informations. Trusted third party is assumed to be terminal with unlimited computing and storage capability. TTP verifies a user's identity based on specified data. TTP helps cloud servers authenticate the user and is responsible for pre-processing the keywords sent by the user. Cloud server is a terminal with unlimited data storage and computing capacity. CS responds to users' storage requests and download requests and realizes identity authentication and secure keyword search with the help of TTP. Here, data storage is done in a tube structure so that it is easier to access data. Three types of security issues are considered here. First is malicious user, second is curious TTP, and forged user. Malicious users. These can be a user who wants to modify the uploaded keywords or who wants to know the keywords user searches for. A user may attempt to modify the user's keywords, which may change data's capability being searched for. Next, we come to curious TTP. Curious TTP may be interested in authors. A curious TTP may be interested in authors and editors' upload data or their habits of setting keywords and keywords that readers search for. A TTP may be interested in data uploaded to the cloud and may want to view the author's academic achievements without authorization. Next is forged user. Forged user is an attacker who may forge the user's identity, including forging the author's or editor's identity and faking the identity of a reader. A forged author or editor may upload false scholarly data, which has an impact on real author's reputation. The false author may modify the author and journal information of the paper to change the copyright of the paper. A fake author may also use the identity to upload new scholarly results, which may have an impact on scholarly's reputation of the forged identity. This proposed scheme is divided into two phases. First is tag upload and keyword search phase, and second is feedback and integrity phase. These algorithms are used in the two phases mentioned above for various purposes, such as verifying users' identity and generating an ID, then checking if the ID is proper, check the author's data before uploading it to the CS, generating encrypting keywords, when a reader inputs them for searching, and creating a trapdoor that checks the keyword's authenticity and also only then allow it to access data from the cloud storage, thus creating a secure structure to access and upload data, and thus no data will be misused. Result analysis shows that time consumption of user, both author, editor, and the reader is lower than 15 milliseconds in our simulation for any number of data blocks that have been found in the cloud for a specific keyword. In this system, a model is constructed that can distinguish the user according to their roles and special requirement of scholarly data. Moreover, an innovative cube data storage structure is proposed. The security and performance analysis shows that our system is efficient for scholarly big data. For future plan is to design a secure data sharing scheme for scholarly big data to implement our current scheme. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Purti. Go to the third method of security.
Third method. 1 second, sir. Are you talking about the security issues considered, sir?
No. Forged use.
Yes, sir. That is
Forged user.
Yes, sir.
How forged user security is performed?
Sir, we first authenticate the user using TTP, sir. First, the user has to prove his identity. The TTP checks the user's data and verify it. Then only it allows to enter the database and access what he wants. So forced user cannot enter if he doesn't have a proper key.
Okay. What will be the size of the key?
I don't know much about that, sir. They have not mentioned much about algorithms or cryptography, anything, sir. They have only mentioned the structure of the model, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Go to the next slide.
Yes,
Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Here, tag keyword, the parameters, right? Param, M, W, SKID.
Yes, sir.
What M indicates?
Sir, 1 second, sir. M indicates a message that consists of the keywords and the user's key, sir. Parameters are parameters sent in groups, sir.
Is there any constraint for the message length or size?
No, sir.
Okay.
Anybody else has any questions?
Santosh sir, any questions?
You need to discuss a few of the security issues that you have not discussed. Any security issues will come across this topic.
Yes,
Just,
sir. We discussed security issues,
what
sir. These three are the security issues considered, sir. Malicious user, curious TTP, and forced user.
What are those?
So malicious user, 1 second. Yes, sir. The malicious user is one who wants to modify the uploaded keywords. We search data based on the keywords uploaded by the readers. So they want to modify the keywords specified by the authors about their papers or work. that leads to different result or wrong results when the reader search for that. Or they may also change when the reader search for keywords. So the reader won't get the proper result. Next is curious TTP. Curious TTP is interested in author's information, uploaded data, and their habits of uploading keywords. It may change the whole uploaded data of the author. That will lead to hazardous for authors, because it can also take users, author's personal information, and it may be used for wrong purposes. Next comes post user.
You are doing encryption, huh?
Yes, sir.
What type of encryption are you doing? Single encryption or double encryption?
So the paper doesn't discuss much about the encryption, the way encryption is done, sir. It is only based on the model
Which paper?
it is used.
No. Which paper you are talking?
So I'm talking about the first paper, so 1 second.
No. See, your topic is like this, but paper is only for the reference and the study of the literature, previous,
Yes, sir.
present, and future technology.
Yes,
But
sir.
you cannot say like this. This paper is not discussed. But you should collect because this is your seminar. Paper is
Yes,
only
sir.
for the reference point.
Yes, sir. I'll look into that, sir.
So you cannot say like this. That is not there in the paper. Paper is only to guide you, help you, teach you, educate you about the topic which you are going to select.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So
Yes,
you can
sir.
collect the information because your literature survey is nothing but to learn something about the technology as per
Yes,
your
sir.
topic.
Yes, sir.
So it's like that. You cannot say like this, but you should not say like that.
Okay, sir.
Thing
I'll
is,
look into it.
see, you have to see when cryptography or crypt and security comes. The basic fundamental idea of the security, what exactly the security will be given to the any of kind of data.
Yes, sir.
So here there are different types of the data. If you are using the encryption, at least you should collect the information. You should do some groundwork with the encryption. Single encryption is there, double encryption is there.
Yes, sir.
So many things are there, and the number of keys. One question, Raj asked, size of the key. There are different 128, 264. Which key are you going to use? And
Yes,
the key is very important when you are doing the encryption.
Yes,
So
sir.
while doing encrypted data, you are decrypting other end, but you will be sending your password or any authenticated credentials to the packets. So once open the packet, then you can decrypt and do some see retrieve the other images. So when providing the data security, then you should study about the keys. Keys are very important here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll look into that, sir.
Collect all those information.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Spurti, who is co-evaluator?
I didn't hear you, sir.
Who is co-evaluator?
Sir, reviewers are Deepu sir and Santosh sir.
Okay. Santosh sir is asking some question in the chat box. Please answer.
1 second, sir. I'll open the chat box. Sir, Santosh sir, actually the paper doesn't mention any encryption techniques apart from the particular use of encryption where it is used. So I have not looked into that, sir. I'll look into that later, sir.
Spurti, as per my view,
Yes,
your
sir.
presentation and the way you answered to the corresponding question was very good.
Yes,
so
sir. Thank
let
you, sir.
guide can conclude the things and go for the next session, I think. Vanraj sir. Sir, on conclude ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು next ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Uh, Spurti. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Spurti,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Spurti,
Yes, sir. 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 Yes, s Yes,
ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ
sir.
ಸುವರ್ಣಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.